Vlogmas day 2. Wagwan YouTube, you don't know it's Shickaa Chung and I'm back at it again today with another video. Before we get into this video, make sure that you subscribe if you have not already. Make sure you like this video, comment while you watch this video. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I am doing another Shein haul. Yes, guys. And this Shein haul, the stuff that I bought, I am going on vacation. So guys, look out for a vlog because I'm definitely vlogging for my vacation. But anyways, guys, yes, I'm doing a haul. I bought a bunch of stuff. I have this box full of Shein stuff. All right, guys. So this haul is gonna be different from my other ones. I'm not doing a try on haul. I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. I will try to put like the screenshot of the product so you can see like what the outfits look like on the model. So we're just gonna jump right into this video and yeah. So I'm not going in no specific order. I'm just taking out like what's in the box. So first, we have this shirt. Guys, I love this shirt. I tried on everything already and everything is nice, but yes, so we have this shirt. Money talks, and this shirt is really nice. It's very strong material. Like, guys, I kid you not, everything in this that I got is like perfect material. Everything is good, nothing is thin. It's very thick, it's very nice. It's a great material and I just love this. I just thought it was cute when I seen it because yeah, money talks. Like, how you mean? And it's pink and it drips. Guys, this is so cute. So I love this shirt. I did get it in, I think I got it in 0XL or 1XL. Let's see if it says it on the bag. So I got this shirt in 1XL and it fits perfectly. The way how I'm gonna wear it, I'm gonna tie it up at the front, like do a little knot and wear it with like some high-waisted pants. I love it. The next items I have here, it's two of them I bought. If you guys never knew, Shein sells stuff for like your house and stuff like that. So because it's Christmas, I'm getting a new like couch like today. So I needed some pillow covers so that my couch looked pretty. So if you guys never knew, now you guys know I love Glam. So I had to get some Glam pillow covers. So one side is like sequin and then the other side is just like a satin white. So I got two of them. And they're mad cute. They feel strong. There's no complaints. There's nothing that seems kind of like wonky about it. Like, everything feels good and they're pretty and it's definitely me. I love Glam. So that's for that one. Okay, guys, this is a two-piece set. Oh my god, I really love it. Like, I definitely love how I look. The only thing is it's kind of big. Like, the pants are kind of big because I'm short and I think it would best fit for like tall people. But this is the pants. So it has that like ribbed type of material. The pants foot has that, you know, that flared thing. And it has like these two ties right here just for added style. So that's the pants. And I did get this in a 1XL and it came with this shirt. So it has the same concept. It's ribbed. It has like rushed, if that's how you pronounce it, like the rushed style here. And then it comes with two strings and it comes with two splits right here at the side. It's really cute. Like, it's such a cute outfit. I was gonna wear this to the airport when I was first purchasing it on Shein. But then when I put it on and I tried it on, I'm like, no, so honey, this have to wear. This have to wear like when I'm at my vacation spot. This is not wearing to no airports. It's too cute. I have to wear it out on the road somewhere. So I definitely love this outfit and it's fantastic. Mwah. Fantastic material. Like, she never disappoints me. Guys, oh my god. This is like my favorite piece that I got from this haul, honestly. So I was kind of skeptic of ordering like jeans pants off of Shein, but I made sure that like I sized up to ensure that like the jeans fit because I was not playing no games with buying jeans and they don't fit. So I bought these jeans. I bought them in a 2X. Guys, they are the cutest. Oh my god. Okay, you guys can barely see it. You guys have to see it on the model. But they flare at the bottom like it goes right to my ankle and then it just flares. So it's not like a bell foot pants. It's like a style, like it comes like a skinny jeans to the bottom, and at my ankle it flares out. It is the cutest. It has rips, like ripped jeans can never go wrong. Me no business about what nobody wants to say. Ripped jeans is it. And it has some rips at the body parts. Watch there. Good girl's gonna be looking hot and sexy on her vacation. See? And it has rips here. So I have a thing for ripped jeans. Like majority of my jeans are ripped, but like I need to stop buying them because I need like appropriate jeans. But I love ripped jeans. But these jeans are so cute, guys. They're very strong. One thing I noticed with Shein and their denim, it's not no bullshit denim. It's not like that stretchy jeans texture. Like it's actual. It's hard. Like it's hard jeans, if you get what I mean. It's not thin. It's not stretchy. Like it's good quality. I can't even remember how much I paid, but it wasn't even that expensive for this. Like I was so shocked, and I'm so glad that I bought 2X. This was good. I sized up. So normally in my clothes I would buy 1X, but I bought 2X in the jeans pants just because I know that around my abdominal area, like I'm fat. I'm thick round this. So I had to ensure that the button could close, and it was the perfect fit. So guys, this is like one of my favorite pieces. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Everything that I bought here, I love how they look, and I love how I look in them. So, but the pants I was most excited for. Guys, this shirt, oh my god. So I got this button-up blouse. It is so cute. So it has like pinstripes. That's the style, and it's like a satin type of material, but it is so cute. Like I had to get it, and it's so funny because I don't normally wear like white blouse or white shirts because I just feel like white makes me look big, like bigger. But I don't know, I just really, really love it. It looks so elegant. You can dress it up. You can definitely, you can't really dress it down, but you can add your little style to it. Like you can tie a knot at the front. You can wear it down if you want. You can put like the front half in your like pants and half out, or skirt, or whatever you're wearing. Like it is so cute, and it's so nice, and it's so like, it felt so good on my skin. The only issue I have, but it's not like the shirt's fault, it's definitely my fault. I have bigger bust, so anytime I wear like anything that's buttoned up, this area tends to kind of like open up a bit. But I know how I'm gonna wear this shirt. Like I don't need to wear the button that's right here. I can definitely get away with just starting from the button that's kind of like right here and goes down. And guys, I have my outfit down packed. So, but I definitely love this shirt. This shirt is just, it's so nice. I love it. I really love it. Guys, can you see the glow in my face? Like anytime I buy stuff from Shein, like I don't know, like I always get good pieces. Like I kid you not, like I always get good pieces. Like I've been one of those lucky people that always get good pieces. I haven't really seen a lot of people complain about Shein like that, but I always get good pieces. This next item is very colorful. So you guys know, from me seeing the color, you guys know I'm going on a vacation to like some hot place, right? So this outfit is so cute. So it's a 3-piece outfit. It comes with biker shorts. So this is the biker shorts. I did get it in 0XL just because there was no more in 1XL. And guys, I really wanted it. So I'm like, yo, like F it. Let me just get the 0XL. There's a cover with it, so even if it doesn't fit properly, like at least there's still a jacket that can cover. But guys, it fits perfect. It fits perfect. So I'm glad I got it. This is the shirt part. So I would not wear this with a bra just because my bra would make my breast be too big, like extra big in this. So this actually fits my bust area perfectly. Like it's perfect. I don't need to wear a bra. My boobs be sitting up because it has that, like, you know, that tightness that it kind of holds everything together. So it definitely has that. And then it comes with like this jacket, cardigan, throw over type of thing. Guys, the outfit is so cute. And this is the material. So I wouldn't know what to call this type of material. It feels comfortable. What would I call it? it's not like that shiny material that's stretchy. It's like it feels kind of slippery, but it feels kind of like warm, like not, it's not cotton. I don't not, is it polyester? I wouldn't even know what to call this, but it's a very comfortable material, and this outfit it's so cute. It is super cute. All right, so the next outfit, this one is so cute as well. It's a two-piece. Yeah. So it's a two-piece outfit. So this is the top. So it's like a tube top with like a tail. So it's long. It's a tube top, and it has a split right here. So your breast would go in this area, and this just goes under your arms. If you guys know how tube tops are. And it comes with these tights. Oh, this outfit is very comfortable. The only problem is I did get this in a 1XL, and the tights are kind of big. I guess it's because I'm short, so like I have a lot of room to pull up. But like the tightness itself, like it fits. I can take it in just a bit. I would say kind of size down. The only thing is, if you do have big boobs, like size up, because the shirt does fit me perfect. But if your breasts are just like average, and you know, I would just size down, or just, yeah. But other than that, like, this outfit is so cute. Material's comfortable. It's probably, guys, I don't know nothing about materials. I'm not even gonna act like I know about materials. I don't know anything about materials. All I know is that this does feel good. It's polyester. It says polyester. All I know is I feel very comfortable in the outfit. It feels comfy. Like, I feel like I can do backflips. And that's the thing with when I'm buying clothes and I'm being a plus size person. I want to feel comfortable. I want to feel like I'm able to do backflips, cartwheel, boom flick over there, boom flick over there. I want to feel that comfortable. I don't like feeling tight and just like feel so. I like to feel comfortable. So yeah, this definitely allows me to feel good and feel roomy. And a few more stuff left. This outfit, this is like a Shickaa Chung outfit, like the basic Shickaa Chung outfit. Like, you know me, like right now I'm wearing biker shorts, so yeah, I got biker shorts again. So I got some like orange biker shorts. So this is the shorts, and there's a regular like top that matches it. It's just a regular t-shirt in the same color. So yeah, this material is like that shiny type of material, but it looks cute. I would definitely like wear it with like a nice, either like a fanny pack or like a side bag or something. This is just for like one of my chill days, like when I'm on vacation. Yeah, this is a Shickaa Chung basic outfit. Like, you see, for me, as long as I have biker shorts and a t-shirt, like, I'm chilling, I'm comfortable, and I feel cute. Right now, that's literally what I'm wearing in this video. Fits perfect. I got it in 1XL. Okay, so the last outfit, and this is not the last pieces that I got from Shein, but this is the last outfit. Guys, this dress is so sexy. Like, oh my god. So I got this dress. Look at the print. It's a spaghetti strap, and it has like a little opening right there. Guys, this outfit is so sexy. Like, it just looks so amazing on me. And even when I was reading the reviews, a lot of people said that the dress was sexy, and yo guys, it definitely is sexy. I got it in a 1XL. Everything fits perfect below. The breast area, no, I got it in a 2XL. I lied, because I wanted it and they never had it in 1XL. I got it in a 2XL, and the bottom area felt all right. The breast part was a little bit too big, but I noticed that the straps of the dress, it has a adjustable strap, so I can definitely tighten it so that this area doesn't feel too large on me. But guys, it looks so sexy on me. Oh my god. All I would have to do is just like wear a little, you know, belly band, something to kind of, you know, hold in the belly a little bit. But guys, this dress is so comfortable. It's so sexy. This is definitely like a night out type of dress. It's so nice. It would look nice with some heels. You can wear some slippers with it, like the cute ones, not no little ghetto or bang one, but the cute ones. But nah, this outfit, so sexy. So that's for the pieces, like for the clothes. I bought shoes and I bought sunglasses as well. So we'll just get to that right now. Let me tell you one thing about Shein and them shoes. Well, the shoes that I bought. One thing with these shoes, like, and the shoes I bought, they are A1 quality. They are not no shit. They're not no foolishness. They're not flimsy. They don't feel like they're about to dry rotten. They're very strong, I'm telling you. Guys, so I got these sandals. They are so cute. Focus now, focus. Yeah. So they have like the pearls with a little gold decal, and this slipper, it's so strong. If your mother beat you with this, if you're from the islands or if you're black, your mother beat you with this, you're definitely gonna cry, because that's how strong these slippers are. But they're so cute. Oh my god, can wear them with like a nice jeans pants, blue jeans pants, a nice dress, skirt. So cute. I got this in the size 42. 42, that's a European size, so I think it translates to about 9.5 and 10. I got it in that size just in case it was gonna be too small if I ordered my actual size, which is 9 or 8.5. But I bought it. There's a little bit of room, just a little bit, but it's still like it's a perfect fit. It feels so comfortable. Oh my god, I feel like I'm walking on clouds with it. It's so comfy. But yeah, those were the slippers that I got for my vacation. We're gonna get into the sunglasses. So I got 2 sunglasses. Let me tell you, Shein is OG because they be sending sunglasses in cases, okay? They be sending sunglasses in cases. Who does that? People send sunglasses in like this with bubble wrap. Nah, they be sending it in cases, and it's a free case so you can, your sunglasses won't break. So I got these sunglasses. Y'all already know, if you guys watch the vlogs, y'all already know, like, these are my type of glasses, Oh, I lied. This is not it. The other glasses I bought is what I love, but this is a different one. I got these, you already know, square face shades. Yeah, period. You already know these like type of glasses fit my face, and I'm excited to wear these. They're nice, they're cute, fashionable, guys. Like, for me, I'm a sunglasses person. I never leave my sunglasses. I wear my sunglasses right around the year. Fall, winter, spring, summer. So me ever in a sunglasses, so I always just have to add to my collection. But these are so cute. I think I paid about $7 or $5 for these glasses. I think it was $5, but they are cute, and I'm just so happy that they send them in glasses case. Like, that's so thoughtful. A lot of companies, they don't do that, right? So that's very thoughtful. It's worth the price. They're very cute. They feel strong. They don't feel like flimsy. Yeah, Shein has a lot of nice sunglasses. Like, if I could have bought like the whole site full of sunglasses, I would have. But your girl has too much sunglasses already. Now we're getting to the sunglasses that I was saying that, like, if you watch the vlogs, you already know about these glasses, because I wear them everywhere. I had to buy a new pair because my other ones broke. But it came in this leather sunglass holder. So cute. It says Shein on it. And you already know, girlfriend. Gotta bust out the regulars. The regulars flat shades. You already know, the big face square sunglasses. These are my signature glasses. Like, I wear these type of glasses like everywhere. They're so comfortable, they're so dark, so like if the sun is it's too blazing, yeah, y'all can't see me, you can't see my eyes. I don't like when people look at me like that. So these are very nice. It came with a cloth as well to wipe my glasses. Sometimes you get fingerprints and that stuff all over. So, Shein is the G. They're so cute. They're perfect. They're perfect. If you guys got this far to the video, I'm gonna ask you guys to comment and tell me what your favorite piece was from this video. As I said before, I loved all of the stuff that I bought. There was no disappointment. Everything was cute. Everything did fit me well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more hauls from me, or if there's any other type of video you guys would like to see, be sure to drop it in the comments below. Guys, Vlogmas is coming up, and this is gonna be my second year doing Vlogmas, so guys, just encourage me to, you know, keep up on YouTube. I'm gonna definitely be dropping vlogs on Vlogmas. I'ma do it for the 25 days. I'm definitely doing it 25 days this year. I'm gonna be planning stuff, so if you guys have any ideas of videos I can do, just drop it down in the comments below as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you share it to the no mother, no father, no sister, no brother, no auntie, no uncle, no everybody, yeah? Make sure to like it, yeah? And stay tuned for the next video. Bye!